Hey scientists, I'm going to show you a review before you take your quiz today. So remember that when you write a summary of a graph, you need to include T, 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 C. So that means you need to include the title of the graph and the trend. Those are usually in the first sentence together. Then you need two examples from the Y axis. That's the part of the graph that goes up and down right here. And last, you need comparison language like higher, lower, increase, or decrease. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to start with my title and trend. I always want to start, or I don't always want to, but an easy way to start is saying in the graph titled, and I'm going to go look, and this is called Grand Canyon Rock Ages. Grand Canyon. Notice how I'm capitalizing the first word of each title. The first letter of each title word is capitalized. So I capitalize the G, the C, the R, and the A. And I also put my title in quotation marks. That's how you tell someone it's a graph title. So I did this. I'm going to mark that as done. I have the title. And I'm going to say it shows to say the trend. So let's see what this graph is about. On the bottom, it has rock name on the x-axis, and on the y-axis, it has age in millions of years. So looking at this, I noticed that the Bright Angel rock has the highest number. So if this is age, that means it's the oldest. So it shows that Bright Angel is the oldest rock. Okay, so I'm using comparison language here. I have oldest, that EST part tells you it's comparing it. I could also add, if I wanted to, that, and that it looks like this rock is just by a little bit. It's smaller than this one. And that Kaibab, that's how you say that name, that Kaibab is the youngest rock. Okay. I've said my trend. Now I'm going to give two examples. I'm going to start by saying, for example, Bright Angel rock is, and now I'm not just going to say the oldest again. I want to say exactly how many years from the y-axis. So if I look over here at the y-axis, I see that Bright Angel is just above 500. I don't know exactly how many, and there's no number above this. So I'm just going to say is over 500. And this says millions of years old. So 500 million years old. It's not just 500 years. These words over here on the side tells me that this is actually millions. So this is 600 million, 500 million. And then I'm going to say, additionally, Kaibab is, let's see, here's where 250 would be, kind of halfway between. Maybe this is 275. Kaibab is about 275 million years old. So right now I've done my two examples from the y-axis. If I wanted to even make this a little bit stronger, I might say something like the next oldest rock after Bright Angel is Mauve, which is almost, I think this is almost 400 million years old. I'm looking and the bar is close to the 400. Okay, so let's check. I've done my title, trend, and two examples. Do I have comparison language? I said that Bright Angel is the oldest. It's over 500. Kaibab is about, I want to change this and add in is much younger so that I'm using some comparison language. I'm comparing and saying younger and older. Then I also said the next oldest rock. So these are all of my comparison words. Okay, on your quiz today, if you show that you can use TTTC, you will get full credit. Good job reviewing.